Hi y'all! I want to tell you a short story about the travels of two friends to their dream destination. Me and my friend Erkki, we had always wanted to travel to the Dolomites, so one summer we backed up his Defender and headed to the mighty mountains. Already on our way, the view started to be quite spectacular, but we needed to stop to make some food before the hike to Lago di Sorapis. The weather could not have been any better when we hit the trail with Erkki and his dog Leo. I would say that the trail is moderate, but it's relatively easy to follow, with some sketchier parts, but the views are amazing. So along the trail there is already quite a lot of eye candy, but when we reached the Lago di Sorapis we just couldn't believe our eyes. The lake with so amazing blue color and the mountains surrounding it, it was just a place from our dreams. This is something that you just have to witness with your own eyes.
Fist bump!
The next morning we started quite early when it was still dark outside and started to make our way to one pretty spectacular viewpoint. Eventually we reached the Cadini di Misurina viewpoint, and man, the views, they were just out of this world. Just look at these. Sometimes it's rainy and gloomy, but we were determined to head towards our next destination, and Erkki is putting on a hoodie. Anyways, yeah, it was raining quite a bit, but to be honest it created interesting light together with the sun. But then the next morning it was just amazing again. We were at a location called Seceda. The ridgeline and the mountains, the morning light, the meadows, everything in here, yeah, it's just something else again. And then the visit to the Dolomites wouldn't be anything without Alpe di Siusi in morning light. At this point we had already traveled a few days around the Dolomites and were heading yet another morning adventure to the lake called Lago di Carezza. And hello, this is me by the way, I reckon that you didn't expect to see me. But anyways, Lago di Carezza. Erkki is snapping a couple of pictures, snap. Yeah, look at these views. Small mountain lake surrounded by forest and mountains. So, that was the adventure of two friends in the Dolomites. Well, those two last pictures, they weren't in the Dolomites anymore, but in Stelvio Pass, but I wanted to include them here anyways. And you might wonder, what is this? Well, this is the morning traffic in Malayo Pass in Switzerland.